So any stubborn streaks, black streaks, like this, they're inevitable. We'll get them on the cameras and the caravans. So all I use then is a brush with a little bit of Fenix black streak remover. And there you go, all gone. Okay, so all done. As you can see, comes up really nicely. All the black streaks have gone. It's nice and tidy for this next trip out. For those people that say you can't pressure wash a caravan, you can. You just need to be a little bit careful around certain areas for grills, grates, the backs of fridges, for example. How do I know this? This is mine. Give us a call on Guardian Hydroclean if you need your caravan doing. Thanks.